Hello everyone, we are group 17 and our group member have Zhang and Oscar. Today we'll talk about 5 generic competitor strategies. The first company is Walmart. As we can see from Walmart's website, Walmart's slogan is "Save money, live better." That means Walmart uses low price than its competitors to attract customers, and the target market of Walmart is very broad because of Walmart mainly sell daily necessities. Everyone can be its target audience. So here's what Walmart's strategy is: low-cost product strategies. The second company is Tiffany. Tiffany is now from Stony handcrafted and teamless design, and they are targeting affluent customers as their target market. Tiffany takes product differentiation as a competitive advantage. Their products distinguish other products, those unique and amazing handmade design, so that their products stand out in the crowd, and the creatively placed products in the iconic blue box that have become that brand's signature. There's design details that are a good indication of brand's exclusivity in the market. Then from I think the competitive strategy adopted by Tiffany is a flow focused differentiation strategies. The next part is Oscar.
Hi, I'm Oscar. The third company is Toyota. As mentioned on the website, for a long time, Toyota has been committed to providing consumers with high-quality products and services, earnestly fulfilling its corporate social responsibility so as to make contributions to the sustainable development of society and the automobile industry. In order to produce good products at a low price, Toyota has carried out the cost halving, which enabled the company to eliminate the vast cost by production and promote the transformation of price and quality through lean production. This has allowed Toyota to stick to its low-cost, high-quality approach in the past, so Toyota's competitive strategy is best cost provider strategy. The fourth company is Starbucks. Starbucks is a catering and service. The fourth company is Starbucks. Starbucks is a catering and service company, and their services and products are clearly different from those of other companies in the industry. Both coffee and pastry are made using differentiated techniques. In addition, Starbucks attaches a great importance to customers' experience in the coffee shop. Starbucks believes that its products are not only coffee, but also the atmosphere of enjoy coffee in the coffee shop. Therefore, Starbucks invests a lot in communication with customers and creates a more comfortable atmosphere through the adjustment of atmosphere, design, lighting, and music in the store. Starbucks' target market is broad, any coffee lover can go to Starbucks and try it. So Starbucks' competitive strategy is for differentiation strategy. The last company is Costco. Costco's core business model is low price, streamlined merchandise and membership. The membership system can make Costco narrow the target customers. They set the threshold of membership fee and lock the target market in the middle class families. Costco's pricing is also very low, so the cost of buying at Costco is much more than the cost of membership compared to what you can save elsewhere. So here's Costco's strategy: is focus low cost strategy. That's our reference. Thank you.